Welcome back to the channel, and today I've got an exclusive look at the Hotel nhow Lima Presidential Suite. You want to check out my full review of this hotel. This is a great option in Lima. So this is the exclusive presidential suite. If you want to stay in this, you're looking at about $1,500 a night. I guess it's far less than the Ritz-Carlton presidential suite. Again, it's a little bit smaller, but very colorful for sure. It's on the 17th floor. As you come in here, you got the guest bathroom. I do love the theming of the room. It's got a very Peruvian theme with colors, bright colors, the design elements. As you see, a lot of reds. You've got the gold colors, and the lighting reflects well with the design from the ceiling there. You got a large table there, dining table, a table to prep food. And you've got windows all around the suite too. So very large dining area. So if you want to entertain, so maybe this is an idea for New Year's, that you would get a suite like this to entertain some friends coming in town. Huge living room, got a TV there. Got all kind of sofa seats. You see the ceiling there, the lamp. Two lamps there on the end. And again, you'll have windows all around the suite, getting sweeping views of Lima. Really cool table there. So very inviting, bright colors. I'll say a funky bedroom here. You got a couple of chairs on each side, a TV in the middle, and you've got the craziest lamps I think I've ever seen. Yeah, I feel like they're alive actually in the room. So I don't know, it could be a good or bad thing there for protection, or it could scare you or scare someone. So you got the large king bed. As we look behind it there, there's really nothing behind it. You can just walk through. So we come into the very red bathroom. You have double vanities. Here you've got the toilet. And what's nice, this room has its own sauna. That's pretty cool. So if you want to sweat a little bit, if the pisco sours aren't making you sweat enough, you can come in here and get a good sweat in your own personal sauna. There's, you see the double vanities, and you've got a lovely view in the tub, in this tub / walk-in shower, huge shower. It's like a party shower. So great views if you want to take a soak in the tub, looking out on the city. So this is the Hotel nhow Lima's Presidential Suite. As always, I do appreciate you guys coming along for the review here. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and share this with a friend. Thank you.